Holy crap, bro. I'm scared I'm gonna get bit by something. Let's give this thing a shake test. I think I'm safe.
Yeah, you're pretty lit, dude.
I pulled the front bumper and everything off yesterday. Grill, operator support, all mumbo jumbo, headlights, radiator, all that good shit. Pulled the harness out. There's a radiator in the back, exhaust. We're gonna try and pull the motor today. This one needs a new head gasket. About to pull the fuel rail. The fuel rail is tied in with like they're like hydraulic press hose lines. So I think this is gonna stay with the car for now. But I need to unhook it to where I can pull the intake and then pull all this mess. There is a mess down there. If you have ever had an E36, you know what the underside of an intake looks like. A jungle. Alright, so I finally got the intake removed. It was a nightmare. There's so much dry rotten shit in here because this thing is probably like 24 years old, older than me. But yeah, everything's all dry rotten and looks like shit. I'm gonna have to replace a lot of this, but yeah, we got the intake out finally. We got a few little things we gotta disconnect. I already disconnected a lot of shit from the alternator and everything. We just gotta unpop all this shit out, and then we gotta go underneath, undo the O2 sensors, a couple other things, and then disconnect drive shaft, undo a couple of these coolant lines right here to the AC compressor. After we do that, I'm probably gonna push it up on the concrete and put it on jack stands. Sitting on it? No. Look at this fucking thing. Trying to get this nest of harness out of here so we can see. Holy crap.
That's a fucking rat nest.
Literally, that's a rat nest. Those latches, get them out the fucking way.
that nest up in there. Holy crap. Bird nest on here. Oh, cool. Literally a bird nest.
Holy crap, dude. ECU is the bird's home. ECU, okay. Holy crap, bro. I'm scared I'm gonna get bit by something. Dude, they legit made a house. They compacted this shit in there. That's a fire hazard. Oh my crap, we might find an egg here. I gotta go disconnect the O2 sensor. Let's get this thing a shake test. I think I'm safe.
Yeah, you're pretty lit, dude. You're safe.
If anything happens, I'll crop under there too. There's a little cover right here for the fuel filter. The lines for the O2 sensors run through that, so you gotta take the cover off. Damn, it's dirty in there. Might be able to snake them out of there without taking the whole thing off, but I'm probably just gonna pull the whole thing. Oh, almost hit me in the face. Out. We should be able to good to pull this shit out now. Oh shit. Alright, now that I got the O2 sensors pulled out from the bottom and disconnected, I should be able to pull this whole harness out. Two O2 sensors, one goes to the fuel pressure regulator, and this is a vacuum line to the fuel pressure regulator as well. Hose is all dry rotting, so I just yanked it. But now we should be able to snake it all through here. Should, keyword. Alright. Hell yeah. Alright, the only thing that's left hooked up is the transmission module. So, we should be able to pull the motor, bro. Sweet. Got the wire harness and everything disconnected, all the coolant lines disconnected, everything's unplugged, ready to be pulled out. We got the drive shaft disconnected, everything unhooked underneath the car. Holy crap, it was a long day. I didn't really record too much of the harness and pulling the stuff off like that because it's just a nightmare and y'all probably don't even care, but check this out. Pulled the exhaust off, pulled the under tray and all the heat shield in, the mount, just everything basically. We are literally to the point where we can just pull out the, I'm freaking wore out. We could pull out the engine mounts, transmission mounts, and pull the engine out. We are there, so yeah. So much shit. Like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video, because in the next video we're going to be pulling the transmission and the engine out at the same time. I'm going to unbolt the transmission, take the engine, put it on an engine stand, and then I'm going to dig into it. The dude we bought the car from said it had a balloon head gasket. Definitely does, because the oil is like milky. And yeah, I got a rebuild kit, so I'm gonna slap the motor back together after I rebuild it, clean it out, freshen it up a little bit. A lot of everything's like dry rotten, so I'm gonna have to go through, redo all the vacuum lines, probably tinker with the harness a little bit, 'cause some of the connectors on the harness got obliterated. They're all like literally dry rotten. Like, you go pinch the clips and they just fall apart in your hand. So yeah, everything is disconnected, and so blah blah blah. Stay tuned for the next video. Heck yeah, you guys are awesome.